guys, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. This is Alexandria Beauty. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, or if you're not subscribed already, then click that button. August is a very busy month for me, as you guys can probably tell. I've been doing 2 videos a week. I am just very excited about all of these videos I've been doing this month, especially my back to school series, which is this video. If you cannot tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a school supplies haul. I wasn't originally going to purchase school supplies before I actually moved in to college, but I wanted to do this video, so without further ado, I want to get right into the school supplies haul. So the first thing is obviously a backpack, because everyone talks about backpacks first in these videos. I am just going to be reusing my backpack from high school. I got this, I think, junior year, maybe. And obviously that was only 2 years ago, and North Face backpacks last a long time, so very new. I don't know what it's called, just a North Face backpack. I'm going to try and link it down below, but it just has the blue detailing. So yeah. So I bought, with my own money, every cent of my own money, a MacBook. Yes, I did decorate. I got this case off of Amazon. It's a black case, and then I stickered it. So this is just the MacBook. It's the 13-inch MacBook Pro. I have been using this to edit my videos. You guys know it's made a huge difference in not only the quality, but just everything. It was worth the investment for me. Even though I'm getting a college computer from my school, this was definitely worth the investment. And I got this case off of Amazon too. I'll try to link them down below. And then you already know I did those free Beats promotion, because college, what? I just got the matte black. I'll show you them. What kind of YouTuber am I? The matte black, because that's an aesthetic. As you can see from the case on my computer, I like black. And if I could have it my way, they'd have a black MacBook Pro, but I don't get my way very often. So the stickers from Redbubble I got a lot. I splurged on a planner for college because, you know. So I got an Erin Condren. This is the design I picked. I got my name on it. And this has just been so great. I actually did my whole filming and uploading schedule in the monthly overview. So the red's YouTube and the purple is Instagram. So I did that for every day because I wanted to like map it out. And this planner is really great for that. I think that the hourly setup is just way better for school and for college, because like, look at the amount of free time you have to plan around this. So these are all my classes, and like they're all color coded and stuff like that. And as you can see, they're not very long. Like, I have a great schedule, so I'm gonna have to like plan around these things for clubs. I'm definitely going to participate in clubs, but then like when it comes to filming and like studying, and I'm going to have a job on campus, this is going to be really great for planning that out. So I really recommend this. Mild liner highlighters by the brand Zebra are something that bullet journalers use, and I was like, those are great because they're basically highlighters, but as you can see, they're like pastel colors and they're not too inky. Like every time I highlight something, I can't even read when I'm highlighting underneath it because highlighters are too like vibrant and inky. These are more pastel and light. So I got these on Amazon. I'm going to link them down below. But I've actually watched a couple of school supplies hauls, and they've been at Target, I guess. They're not at my local Target, but they're really nice, and I've been using them to color code my planner. I'm pretty much reusing most stuff from last year. So ignore all the stuff in here, but this is a mechanical pencil set, 50 count, from the Target brand, Up and Up. I saw this there today when I went to Target. It basically just has these mechanical pencils. My dad buys these huge packs of these big pens, so the blue and the black. They're my favorite pens for note taking. I also had a 12 pack of these black wood pencils because, you know, black's an aesthetic, and I needed wood pencils for SATs this past school year and tests and stuff like that. There's 6 left, so half the pack is left, so I thought, you know what, I'll just take these to college too. So I got this makeup bag from Sonia Kashuk. This was just at Target. I just liked it because it was black, and it's one of those long ones. It's kind of wide, but not too wide, and I'm just going to use this as a pencil case because they didn't have any cute pencil cases, and I don't want anything big I got this desk calendar. So like one of the things that I've been realizing from college essential videos is that this is kind of an essential. Yes, I have my planner, but it's cool to just kind of write out when I have exams. I bought this stapler at the $1 section in Target for $5. You know how that goes. But all the other staplers at Target are like $12 or $15 because they're really cute and fancy and whatever. This is just a clear one. I think it's cute. So, and then I'm reusing my TI-84 because I'm in calc. Well, I'm in mathematical analysis. Read the course description and it's pretty much like calculus. So I think I'll need my calculator for calculus. Alright, I got a pair of scissors. Like I said, I'm gonna need scissors of my own. I'm a big girl now. I got those big girl scissors, so those are kind of cute. I got this dry eraser. I'll insert a picture of the dry erase board that I got. It's just packed away in my dorm stuff, but this is here. So the Papermate Flare pens, but I just got 2 black and 2 red. I got post-it notes. I just like to get the pastel color ones because you can actually see what you're writing on them, and I use post-it notes all the time. And I figured with textbooks and stuff I would need the post-it tabs, so I got these. I got these Papermate, I guess they're ballpoint pens. I just wanted colorful pens. I don't know why I need them, but I just saw them and they called my name. So I'm in college now, so I'm really not going to use binders because I don't even see a need for a binder. Figured I'd just get one of these file folders. So I'm going to use this for the handout. It was like the end of April. I got out the beginning, like the second week in May. First, second week in May. It was the end of April and I was like, oh my god, I ran out of paper. What am I going to do? Everyone was like, Alex, why'd you buy new notebooks? We get out in like a week. And I'm like, dude, I have to study for AP tests and like 1 final. So I bought 3 new notebooks from Staples and I only used 1. I haven't even completely used it, like it's over there. I have 2 notebooks left over from last year. They're 1 subject, college rule notebooks, a white one and a blue one clearly. It's gonna bother me a little bit that these notebooks are from Staples and they have Staples brand on them. The other ones I bought are Target and they're like 5-star brand, but I guess my OCD will have to subside for now. And then for the final 2 products for this back to school supplies haul, this is a 5-star blue notebook from Target. This is graphing ruled. Basically, I have like a thing where ever since like middle school, even elementary school, I was doing math on graphing ruled paper because my school system required you to get certain school supplies, and math, you could not have a regular notebook, you had to have a graphing ruled. I got into this little habit of having to do math on graphing ruled paper and I cannot break it. It's like become a part of me now. I cannot do math on anything but graphing paper. Obviously, 3 subject, college ruled notebook. Can I just explain before we end this video that if you were in high school and or college and you're using wide ruled notebook paper, grow up. I hate wide ruled notebook paper. I wouldn't even use it in middle school, maybe elementary. It's for elementary kids. Wide ruled, you write 2 words and like you'll look like you have a paragraph. It's like done. Okay guys, so that completes this back to school supplies haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and as I've been saying, in August, it's twice a week. I hope you guys are enjoying this back to school series. I've been really having fun filming it. I have some other cool videos coming up, like makeup videos, so don't worry, hang tight if you're not into it, but if you are, definitely stay a while. Also, don't forget to check out my new website. I mentioned this in my last video, but I did create a website and I'm gonna start blog posts on there, especially reviews of makeup products. So if you guys want to see that and kind of see my reviews on certain products, then definitely check out my website. Per usual, I'm going to be linking my social medias in the description box down below. You can follow me on there. My Instagram is my most active social media source, so definitely check that out. Again, I thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!